Namaste. Welcome to Monday Bytes from ChitraCars. Today we are talking about measures to be taken while driving on the road or walking. First thing is we are expected to walk from the right side of the road and look at the right side what is coming towards you, and then the left for walking. For two-wheelers, people who are driving two-wheelers have to make sure that they drive on the left side very near to the pavement. So their safety is taken care, and as well as their family. Never overtake from the left side, because if you're overtaking from the left side, you are really disturbing the people who are overtaking them. Actual way of doing overtaking, it should be done from the right side. So that's the correct way of doing it. Never travel behind a truck or a bus, because they will not be able to see behind you. You should keep a distance of 2 to 3 meters for your safety and your car safety. In highway driving, take extra care. You should be very careful in driving, extra careful while driving in a highway. That is, you should maintain a speed of 70 to 80. And the other measure you should use when you are on a cruise drive, when you are using, normally every car today has cruise drive. So when you put it on cruise, you should be more agile, because you can only stop the car by applying the brakes. So you should be agile when you are driving on a cruise mode. Please like this video, share this video to friends and relatives. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think ChitraCars. Thank you.